Hello guys! Welcome to 5th generation Hobby Shop. Review testing tayo ng unit. Shoutout po pala kay Sir Noel of Cebu. Sir Noel, shoutout po sa inyo. This is your unit po. Testing na natin. Video testing tayo, sir. And review of your Pit Viper John Wick 4. Fully licensed by Taran Tactical Innovations EMG brand. And this is the brand new EMG Pit Viper John Wick 4. This is the black version po. Okay. So, meron po siyang kasamang gas tsaka bala. Bala po natin ay 0.23 grams. Okay, so buksan na natin yung unit mo, sir. So, this is the box of the EMG. Ayan, EMG Taran Tactical Innovations. Ayan, this is fully licensed by Taran Tactical. Ayan, made in Taiwan po siya. Ayan, okay. So, buksan na natin. Ayan, okay, ganda. Taran Tactical Innovations Pit Viper. This is the John Wick 4. Okay. So, ito yung card. You need to scan the code for the registrations. I mean, sa manual tsaka sa registration sa kanilang website. Ayan. Okay. This is, ayan, EMG. Licensed product. And so this was designed by Taran Tactical Innovations. I mean EMG, and fully licensed by Taran Tactical Innovations. Okay. The Allen range para dun sa mag base. And this is the magazine. Naka anti-freeze gas route na siya. As you can see, red na ang kanyang gas route. Yan. So, yung Allen, dito po yun sa ito. Adjustment ng lock para matanggal mo yung mag base. This is 30 rounder capacity po. Sa magazine niya ay 30 rounder. And the unit. And ang ganda niya. Magwell. Look at the design of the grip. Very aggressive. Yung texture, napakaganda. And yung serrations niya, very aggressive. Made in Taiwan, Taran Tactical Innovations. Serrated po siya sa front and rear. Yan yung kanyang by the way, ito pala yung kanyang serial number. Ayan. Ayan. Okay. So with the extended Picatinny rail. Ayan, napakahaba niyan for the accessories. 5-year optic, iron sight front. Adjustable yung sight naman niya rear. This is the windage, and this one is the elevation. And with lever tail safety and the manual safety. The manual safety is ambidextrous. So this is the black version, no? As you can see, no, ang ganda ng markings niya. Engrave. Isa sa mga paborito kong pistol, etong black version ng EMG. Ayan. Meron siyang thread. Kung gusto mong lagyan siya ng tracer, may thread po siya. Ayan. Okay, this is the unit of Sir Noel of Cebu. Ganda ng texture ng grip. Ganda ng design ng trigger. Yan. This is the black version po ng Pit Viper EMG. Kasi meron pong rose gold barrel na to eh. Pero mas paborito ko po itong for me mas paborito ko po itong black version. Ayan. The design of the mag release, ganda rin. Magwell. Okay. So ngayon test par natin, shooting test tayo. Okay, Sir Noel, shooting test po tayo ng inyong unit. Okay, check lang natin yung manual safety kung gumagana. Ayan. The safety is engaged and working. At pag binaba nyo siya, puputok na dapat, pero pag hindi ito nadiinan or di siya engaged, hindi rin siya puputok. Okay. Testing. Pairing. Okay. Nag-open chamber. Wala ng bala. Release the magazine by pressing the mag release. And then, atakin nyo lang yung slide. Ayan, para bumaba yung slide release. And then, release the slide. Okay, hammer down for safety. Okay, Sir Noel of Cebu. Okay na po ang inyong unit. This is the EMG John Wick 4 Pit Viper. Fully licensed by Terran Tactical Innovation. Okay, if you have more question po, message lang sa aming Facebook page. 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Thank you, sir, and have a nice day.